It's time for our triple play. Three stocks that we're watching in the final 25 minutes of trading. We have Starbucks, Tesla, and Las Vegas Sands. Jared Blickery on set to help us break down some of these movers. All right, let's start with my pick, and that is Starbucks. Shares falling today on worry that China President Xi Jinping's tighter control is going to lead to the continuation of the COVID zero approach. The drop today, you're looking at a drop of just around 5% now. Earlier in the day was the largest single drop that we have seen, single day drop that we have seen in nearly a year. China is a critical market for Starbucks. We've heard that many times from the company. It has more than 5,700 stores in the region. Shares year to date well in the red. Investors are going to be paying very close attention to any further detail that we get on the earnings call from Starbucks next week, just in terms of their China business, what this could potentially mean for Starbucks over the coming months. And Jared, when you take a look at that year-to-date chart, you're looking at shares firmly in the red. And we know that it has been a stock that has struggled not only overseas, but of course with the slowing economy here in the U.S. too.
Yes, and I want to go to the Wi-Fi Interactive where I have the NASDAQ 100 daily heat map here, and look at all that nice green except for the bottom. And I like how all of our picks today are basically around the same theme, which is weakness in China because of that big consolidation of power there. Here's Starbucks over the last 20 years. Now, I just want to show you, it's still, here's the good news for the bulls. Let me see if I can draw this trend line ever so haphazardly, but still, it's still, I guess, on the right side of this trend line, although we have had a very, very big decline here. But in the same vein, I do want to highlight some of the Chinese stocks that are suffering as a result of the weekend action, and notably Tesla is going to be among them. Now, that is, of course, a U.S. stock.